This is Warsaw Manila Holding Group.
Looking for a fast and easy way to get your tax refund in Poland? Have you ever wondered how much will be your tax refund? Do you know that you can get additional benefits for your children? We will assist you in your yearly tax return, PIT 37. Send to us your PIT 11 and we help you to file your tax refund. It is very easy and fast. You don't have to wait in a line because we do it for you. So we can help you keep extra money in your pocket. Every Polish citizen who earned at least 1 zloty must prove it to the tax office in the annual tax return, even if there was no tax to pay. If you did not earn any money, you are not required to pay PIT, such as a spouse or a student who is supported by their parents. So what if you are not a citizen of Poland? According to Polish law, you must define your income status as follows. A tax resident is someone who pays all income taxes in Poland, including income earned outside of Poland. A tax non-resident pays income tax only on income earned in Poland. If you live in Poland for more than 183 days in a year, this period does not have to be continuous, or if the Republic of Poland is a center of your economic or personal interest, you are a tax resident. Economic interest implies that you must have a permanent source of income in Poland or own a business. Personal interest entails relocating your closest family, wife, children, or your home, property, to Poland. If you are a non-Polish citizen with tax resident status, you must pay private income tax in the same way as a regular Polish citizen. Any foreign income should be declared. However, if you are a citizen who is not a Polish tax resident, you are only required to declare income earned in Poland. PIT 11 is the basic information about income, costs, and personal income tax advances collected. The payer who settles, collects, and pays advance income tax payments during the year must provide information. In most cases, payer refers to your employer. To summarize, your employer is supposed to deliver PIT 11 to you, and this is the document that is required to begin the process of your annual tax return in the case of approximately 80% of all taxpayers. PIT 37 and PIT 36 are the two most common PITs that you as a taxpayer must settle with the IRS. PIT 37 is used to show basic income, which includes earnings from work, pensions, disability pensions, and contracts for specific work or activities performed in person. PIT 36, on the other hand, is used to show income from economic activity as well as special departments of agricultural production that are taxed on a general basis. It also includes foreign earnings. PIT 37 and PIT 36 are mutually exclusive. This means you can file either PIT 36 or PIT 37 with the tax office. As a result, if we have income that must be reported on PIT 36, for example, from work abroad, and basic income shown on PIT 37, for example, pensions, the income from PIT 37 should be shown on PIT 36. The tax office has access to a large number of PIT declarations. My purpose in bringing up the PIT in Poland is to make it clear for the vast majority, over 80%, of you who, according to statistics, will utilize PIT 37 or PIT 36 for your annual statement. The additional PITs include, for instance, PIT 28, flat rate activity, PIT 38, stock, securities, and capital movements, and PIT 39, real estate sales. If you fall into one of the aforementioned groups, your annual declaration may be a little more complicated. There are only two important dates to remember depending on the type of PIT you need to submit. PIT 28 you have until the end of February to submit a PIT 28, and if the last day of February is a holiday, you have until the first business day after February 28th or 29th. The tax payment deadline as a result of the PIT 28 deadline is the same as the tax payment deadline. You have until the end of February to do so. PIT 37, PIT 36, PIT 36L, PIT 38, and PIT 39 you have until April 30th to submit these PITs, or by the first business day after that if April 30th is a non-working day. The tax payment due to these PITs is due on the same day as the tax submission deadline. This means that the tax must be submitted and paid by the end of April. We will assist you in your yearly tax return, PIT 37. Send us your PIT 11 and we help you to file your tax refund.